students, welcome back to our channel. Yes, for some technical issues yesterday I did not upload my video, so yesterday's video I am uploading now. Yes, so let me recapitulate what we have discussed in the ninth paragraph. Yes, what had happened at last in the ninth paragraph. Yes, you can see. Yes, Marky's mother called her for the school, and it was a time to go for the school to Tommy also. Yes, the mechanical teacher flashed. No, it means what? The computer screen turned on. Yes, yeah. The mechanical teachers said to Margie, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Yes. As soon as class began, mechanical teacher asked Margie to put her yesterday's homework in the particular slot. Yes. Until this we have discussed in our last class. Yes. Today we are moving to the next and the last paragraph of this lesson. Right. So let's begin. Margie did so with a sigh. Sigh means here sorrow. I told you in the last poem also what is sigh. Sigh means what? Sorrow, sad. Yes. So what is the meaning of this statement here? Margie did so with a sigh. It means what? When the mechanical teacher asked her to put yesterday's homework in the particular slot, yes, she did it. How she did it? She did it with a sad mood. Right? Then she was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Yes, so she was thinking about the school which we were in. Her grandfather's grandfather studied. Right? All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. Right? So how was the school when Margie's grandfather was a boy? Yes, it was very wonderful. Yes, all the neighbor street students used to come to the particular place called school. They used to laugh, sing, dance, and learn everything together. Right? At the end, they help each other to complete their homework and all. Right? Yes. Then they learned the same thing so they could help one another in the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. And most importantly, yes, what she liked about the old school is teachers are people. Man, teacher is man. Yes, the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. She was thinking about the old school. That mechanical teacher was asking her something. She was, that mechanical teacher was asking. When we added fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, Margie, she was not at all paying interest to or not at all paying or attention to the mechanical teacher. She was go on thinking about the old school only. Yes. Then Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Yes. I hope now you are clear with what is that fun they had. Fun they had means what here? Yes. How the students have enjoyed in their school life. Yes, comparing to the futuristic school and present school. Right? And you people have the wonderful opportunity to learn with everybody else, learn with your students, all the students. Yes, you can learn with your friends. Yes, you can enjoy with your friends, you can laugh, sing, dance. Yes, that already you do every day, right? So what I want you to do, don't miss the school. Now you got an opportunity, so if you miss it, you cannot get it back, right? So if you miss it in the future, what happens? You will also think like Margie, oh, I was having the time to enjoy, but I did not enjoy like that. Yes. So I hope you understood this lesson. I just want you to read and understand once again. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. Okay. In our next class, let's discuss the question answer of this lesson. Yes. Thank you for watching this video.